HR for Odisha B.Ed Education Honours. Issue of inequality in society and its socio-cultural and educational implications. Introduction. Inequality means unequal treatment or opportunity given to people based on caste, class, religion, gender, language, or region. In India, inequality exists at many levels: social, cultural, economic, and educational. Though our constitution promotes equality, many groups still face discrimination, leading to long term negative effects on their social status, culture, and education. Forms of inequality in Indian society. Caste based inequality still exists in many rural and urban areas. Dalits, scheduled castes, and Adivasis, scheduled tribes, often face discrimination in jobs, schools, and social life. Economic inequality. Rich poor gap is increasing. The poor have limited access to good education, healthcare, and basic facilities. Gender inequality. Girls often face restrictions in mobility, education, and freedom of choice. Women earn less than men and are underrepresented in leadership roles. Religious and cultural inequality. Minority communities, like Muslims and Christians, face social exclusion and are underrepresented in higher education and government jobs. Regional and language inequality. Some states, like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, are better in education and healthcare. Others, like Bihar, Jharkhand, are still struggling. People from the northeast or south sometimes face language bias or stereotypes. Socio-cultural implications of inequality. Social exclusion. Marginalized groups are not included in mainstream society. They live in separate colonies, attend different schools, and are not invited to social events. Loss of identity and self-worth. Constant discrimination leads to low self-esteem. People start feeling inferior and avoid participating in public life. Cultural suppression. Tribal and minority communities are forced to abandon their languages, clothes, or festivals to fit in. Their culture is not reflected in school textbooks or the media. Social tension and conflicts. Inequality leads to anger, resentment, and sometimes violence. Protests and movements, like Dalit rights, women's rights, rise due to social injustice. Educational implications of inequality. Unequal access to quality education. Rich and upper caste children go to private schools. Poor, Dalit, tribal, and Muslim children often go to government schools with fewer resources. High dropout rates. Girls and marginalized children often leave school early due to discrimination, poverty, or lack of support. Language barriers. Tribal children face problems because school education is not in their mother tongue. This affects learning and interest in studies. Teacher discrimination. Some teachers treat students unequally based on caste, religion, or gender. This creates a negative classroom environment. Lack of representation. Curriculum often ignores minority cultures, women's achievements, or tribal knowledge. This makes children feel their identity is not valued. Government measures to reduce inequality. Constitutional provisions. Article 15. No discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, sex. Article 46. Protection of SCs, STs, and other weaker sections. Reservation system. Seats are reserved for SC, Cent, and OBC groups in education and jobs to ensure equal opportunity. Right to education, RT Act 2009 guarantees free and compulsory education to all children aged 6-14. 25% seats reserved in private schools for poor and marginalized children. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scholarships and midday meal scheme help improve the condition of girls and poor children in schools. Inclusive education policies promote education for children with disabilities and from different language backgrounds. Suggestions for improvement: more inclusive curriculum that reflects all cultures, languages, and contributions. Teacher training to remove bias and promote inclusive classrooms. Better facilities in rural and government schools so that all children can learn equally. Community participation in school development. Strong monitoring to ensure RT and other schemes are properly implemented. Conclusion: inequality in Indian society is a major challenge for social progress and educational development. It affects the self-respect, opportunities, and future of millions of people. To build a just and equal society, we must ensure that every child, regardless of caste, class, gender, or religion, gets equal respect and access to quality education. Education is not only a right, but also a powerful tool to reduce inequality and empower society.